So, you're scrolling through Instagram, right? And then, bam, you see it. A picture of someone who seems to have everything. The perfect looks, the perfect lifestyle, the perfect smile. Suddenly, you're not just scrolling anymore. You're comparing. You start wondering, why don't I look like that? Why isn't my life that exciting? What's wrong with me? This habit, this constant comparison that you've developed over months, even years, slowly chips away at your confidence, your happiness, and your ability to appreciate yourself for who you truly are. Here's the truth. Comparison is a trap. It tricks you into measuring your worth based on someone else's highlight reel. Maybe you feel down because your friend just got a promotion, or your cousin has a six-pack while you're still trying to figure out how to even start working out. Or maybe it's something as simple as someone being taller than you. Whether it's about looks, success, or relationships, this toxic cycle of comparison always leads to the same place: self-doubt. Here's the thing. Even if you win the comparison game, you don't really win. Why? Because there's always someone better, richer, taller, or more talented. It's a game you can never truly win. It's an endless cycle, and it's one you need to break. Comparison hurts because it focuses on what you lack instead of what you have. It whispers to you, you're not enough. And the more you believe that, the more stuck you feel. But let me ask you something. Who set these standards? Who decided that being taller, thinner, or more successful makes someone better? Maybe everything is already perfect for you, exactly the way it is. Maybe your life and your achievements already meet your internal standards, not the ones set by others. Here's the reality. You don't have to be like everyone else. You have to be yourself. The way you look, your talents, your mindset, the journey you're on, that's what makes you unique. And yet, when you compare, you lose sight of that. So, how do you stop? How do you break free from this endless cycle and start appreciating yourself? Here are 3 key steps, in my opinion, but first, a quick note. I'm not talking about deleting all your social media or locking yourself in your room to avoid people. Sure, that might save you from comparison, but it's just avoiding the problem, not solving it. What I want to talk about is how to change your mindset. Step 1. The next time you catch yourself comparing, hit pause and ask yourself, what's this really about? Most of the time, comparisons stem from insecurities you haven't addressed. Instead of obsessing over what someone else has that you don't, focus on what you can actually improve in your own life. For example, if you're comparing your skin to someone else's clear complexion, ask yourself, what can I do about this? Maybe it's time to reassess your skincare routine, adjust your diet, or consult a dermatologist. Come up with a plan and take action. But what if it's something you can't change, like your height? Then ask yourself, what's the point of feeling bad about something I literally can't control? How much does this really affect my life? And most importantly, what can I do to feel confident and comfortable, even without changing this about myself? The goal isn't to obsess over what you can't control, but to take meaningful action where you can. Even small steps toward improvement are better than spiraling into self-pity. Step 2. Gratitude is a powerful antidote to comparison. Instead of focusing on what you don't have, make it a habit to appreciate what you do have. Every morning, take a moment to write down 3 things you're grateful for. It could be your health, your relationships, or even the fact that you woke up to another day. Gratitude shifts your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Think about it. If you're watching this video right now, you can see, you can hear. That's already something to be grateful for, right? Start small, but make it a regular practice. Step 3. This one's simple, but important. Remember that even the people you admire have insecurities, struggles, and bad days. No one's life is as perfect as it seems. On Instagram, no one posts their bad hair days, their insecurities, or the nights they cry themselves to sleep. You're comparing your reality to a carefully curated version of someone else's life. Everyone is human, even those you compare yourself to. So that's it. I hope this helps you. Remember, you're not here to compete with anyone else. You're here to grow into the best version of yourself. Now go out there and live your life, because no one else can do it like you.